So we'll come back to that in just a second. But now, really what I want to do is put in some very dark lines and shadows around this front of the animal, and then we'll do the nostrils and the eyes, and then we'll be more or less done, I think. So here we go with our very, very dark regions. So this is almost entirely ultramarine blue, but I have added some burnt umber and a little touch of the red as well, just so you know we've got a little bit of color coherence occurring across the entire animal. And what I'm hoping is, as I put these very darks in, that's going to start to bring some of the highlights that I've got here to life. But as always, we'll see how it goes, and you know, it's always a case of making adjustments as we go along. Now, I've just put an area of dark into the eye there, but we do need to go back to the eye to add some finer detail. And then one of the things I'm watching here is I don't want to undo all of what I've done before. So I don't want to lose some of the textures that we got down in the very early stages. So I'm trying to be a little bit selective. About where I add the darkest of the darks. I picked up a little bit of yellow on my brush there from the still wet background, and that wasn't intentional, but I quite like the effect that occurred there. So I think I'm going to let that one dry, put in a bit of colour on the ground, and then we'll come back and maybe do some other finishing touches. And I like that purple colour so much that I decided to just scumble a little bit of that onto the bull as well, because that's going to keep that colour coherence going that we talked about earlier. And that's pretty much finished. Let me give you a quick zoom in on some of the brushwork. And of course you can visit my website at the link in the description if you want to look around the painting. But here's the finished pick, a black Angus bull. As I said at the start, viewer request. So if there's anything else you want me to paint, just let me know. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next Sunday for the next episode of the Sunday Art Show. Thanks again for watching.